Today we will do heart failure. This is different from heart attack. In heart attacks, we found the reason was blockage in the arteries. Heart failure. Failure means performance not good. If you fail in your exams, that means performance is not good. So here is heart is not able to perform its work. What is the work of the heart? It is to pump the blood. If heart is not able to pump blood to all parts of the body due to some reason, for example, valves have some defect, heart has got 3 or 4 valves or some other reason. So there is no first aid for this. Patient has to be hospitalized. Then we come to blood pressure. Causes of high blood pressure. So blood pressure normal is 100, up to 120, allowable is 140. If it is more than 140, that is called high blood pressure. So what are the causes? One cause we already seen, that is your blockage in the arteries. Second cause could be if you are having too much of salt, your blood becomes thick, density of blood increases. So that is another reason. Blood is thick. Again, if you have a fire pump, which shows you the discharge pressure, let us say 5 kg, and let us say this liquid is fresh water, density is 1. Now if the same liquid was salt water, which has a density of 1.025, this discharge pressure increases because the liquid becomes heavy. So that is the reason. So if you have blockage in the arteries, you have to change your lifestyle. For example, eating a proper diet, less cholesterol. If your blood is thick, you have to reduce your salt. Salt intake, you can even make it zero because due to lack of salt, there is no disease you can get. Salt has got sodium. Sodium is not good for the body. The only plus point is it has got some iodine, which you can get from other vegetables. So high blood pressure causes blockages, blood thick. These are some of the causes. Another cause, very common, obesity, means overweight. Now, why does overweight cause high blood pressure? If you become overweight, your volume increases, and therefore the number of fat cells they increase. And these fat cells need nutrition, that is oxygen. So they need blood. Blood carries oxygen. So your body makes more blood. Normally, human being has got 5 liters of blood, but if you are overweight like this, your body might be making 6 liters of blood. Now in this fire pump, if you see, you have 5 liters of blood. Let us say this is blood, and you have 5 liters, and it is showing a discharge pressure of 5. Now the same balance pump, if it has to pump 6 liters, earlier was 5 liters. Now 6 liters means the height has increased, so your discharge pressure also increases because the height increases. So if your body has more blood, your blood pressure goes up. So if we reduce weight, we can come back to the normal blood pressure. So that is a natural way of reducing weight. Now allopathy only attacks the immediate cause. Like if your blood is thick, you might have aspirin which thins your blood. But then after every 24 hours you have to take an aspirin because then effect of aspirin goes down. So the best is to reduce your salt intake, which is a permanent method. And each of these uh, medicines of allopathy have some side effect. Side effect means your main problem is solved, but you have another problem which starts. Now, if you have more weight, overweight, reducing your body weight is a permanent solution. Thickness of blood, and as I said, if you keep your artery healthy, that was the third reason, high blockages, so that will also be taken care of.